It's very hot. How could I finish watering?
1. Buy a new horse. 2. Build a new water pump.
I will build a new water pump. Yeah, this pump is so amazing. It's so fast. All my crops have been watered. I can harvest the crops now.
1. Harvest all crops. 2. Wait a few days.
I would choose to harvest all of them. That's a lot of money.
Your crops are of great quality. I want to buy all your pumpkins tomorrow.
I need find a way to make more pumpkins.
Yes. No.
I will choose yes. It's too expensive. Wow! Look, pumpkins are growing quickly. Oh no, it's getting too fast. It's broken.
1. Fix the pump. Cost $3,452. 2. Buy a new pump. Cost $3,452.
What?
It's time! Our Christmas gift factory is officially back in action. The lights turn on, the machines wake up, the whole castle becomes an automated factory, making thousands of gifts every night. From simple ingredients, things are quickly turned into joyful gifts. Look, Santa is ready to spread joy all around the world. Let's head inside our factory and see the full Christmas gift-making process. This is the bakery room, where incredibly delicious treats are crafted by our skilled elf bakers.
Gingerbreads are fresh and ready.
Later, the baked cakes are sent down to the collection room. Look at them. They smell so delicious.
Oops, the box is full. Let's take it downstairs.
Down here is the packaging room. The cakes move along the conveyor, heading straight to the packaging process. I think we should head back to collection room. What's that?
Do you know where these candy come from?
My favorite room is right here, candy cane room. Here, warm ingredients are shaped and colored, turning into hot, freshly crafted candy canes. Then, in the next room, gentle fans slowly cool them down.
All cool down, bring them to the packaging room.
That's a lot.
We'd better get them into the packaging room and turn them into gifts. Look, the Christmas gift boxes are rolling out non-stop.
So much gifts. Hurry, reindeer. The kids are waiting for us.
All done. The factory's closed now. See you next Christmas.
a river in the forest.
We're at the research area, buddy. The river here is severely polluted. I'll go down and take a water sample. The dirty water turned you into a zombie.
Water cleaning machine is ready. The duckweed are being carried up the conveyor and falling into the trash tray. The cleaning truck can turn around and continue collecting trash from the other corner of the river. All the trash has been removed.
The river is clean, buddy. Let's take another sample.
I'm a zombie too.
Recently, an agricultural researcher developed a water pump that makes it easier to irrigate crops, resulting in a bountiful harvest.
Mr. Hand, let's also make a water pump. Let's start watering the trees. Mr. Hand.
Okay, I agree. I put the water pump here and extend the pump hose.
Are you ready? Wonderful. The trees are getting watered.
This machine has helped to water the plants more quickly.
A few moments later.
Huh? Why are the trees not bearing fruit yet? Is it not getting enough water?
I will water them more and more.
2,000 years later.
Oh no! What the hell happened?